I've bought from Microsoft Online Store one license of the Office Home and Business 2021 one-time purchase for one PC. Includes Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint and Outlook. Australian dollars $349. With the purchase, I'm able to download the Office 2021 setup software. So I'll start that software now. As you can see, the dialog box shows that it's downloading the Office 2021 applications. This will take a while because it is a big suite of applications. It's nearly finishing the download. There you go, installation finished. Your product is now completely installed. Alright. Let's see if we can find the Microsoft Office applications installed. Word, PowerPoint, Outlook, OneNote, Excel. Let's click on Word. From the setup file, it knows my customer account, so it does not need me to provide the product installation key. Interesting. Try PowerPoint. Same thing. Try Excel. Try Outlook. Okay, it works. I'm not going to set up Outlook here. I'm going to set it up in another account. I've finished installation of Office 2021. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it informative. Do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more and to help the channel grow. Thank you so much.